day with the Impala. We're did a little bit of welding last night, got most of the exhausts done. Direct fit Walker sound effects mufflers. And we're gonna finish welding it today, and we'll walk you through how to doing your own custom exhaust on your 94 through 96 Impala SS's. So we use the bypass X pipe pre-made into a set of Walker Sound X mufflers. So it's got the OEM hangers so that you can hook your exhaust up to your factory hangers here and don't have to make them. And that's the bypass X pipe. It's a pre-made kit. The two front pipes over there, you can adjust them to your original cats. They bolt up to original cats, but on this car, the car's old now, so you don't have to really run cats anymore, depending on what states you live in. So we got rid of those and we went straight pipe. We'll have a tune done for that, for removing cats, cat delete, for you cat delete guys. V-banded everything, so you get no exhaust leaks. But it's there, it's all tacked up. I'm gonna take it down in a few, finish welding the whole thing on the table. One issue we had though was with the fact this kit, the pipe spread a little bit too wide, so we tightened it up with a ratchet strap and some clamps, and then welded in a stainless steel bar to keep them in the right locations. The one and only issue I had with this kit. And make sure you guys, when you buy this kit, that you have the kick up on the upside, not on the bottom side, because then it'll make your muffler sit weird. I did that when I first took it out of the box. Has a direction it faces, but doesn't tell you top side, bottom side. Got to figure that out on your own. But that's how it looks, guys. If you see the fitment is really nice. Everything looks uniform, except for that little wavy pipe, which is fine. This X pipe actually fits factory cross members for you factory cross member guys. I'm running Clear Image tubular transmission cross member. Clear Image will hook you up with that as well. They help when running his headers. So you can run either bigger pipes. I'm running 2.5, but you could do 3-inch or bigger if you guys are running turbos. New exhaust going in onto the Clear Image headers. Gonna look fresh. a left and a right muffler. So these ones aren't quiet. These actually have sound to it. They're just not like a Flowmaster or something even louder. They just give you some rumble, not too much rumble. Impala X-piped exhaust, almost done. Amazing. A buddy of ours came down and helped us out with this exhaust art. It's gonna sound good. That X-pipe in place. All right, guys, so we got the last of the welding all done on the car. All finished TIG welding stainless steel. And take a look. Some up close for you of the exhaust. If you guys are wondering, does that bar touch that drive shaft? It does not. Back at it. So we're gonna be hooking up the transmission cooler lines today. We have some adapters, some AN aluminum adapters to go into the transmission cooler here because it's a flared fitting with an AN6 male so that we can go through here and connect and hook up to our steel braided transmission cooler. So we're following that all the way through. These are our disconnects. These are the fittings you'll need for the cooler. These go in here and those will go right there. So now you can see how to convert that from a pipe to a steel braided line. And then we have some couplers. You'll need aluminum wrenches so you don't mar up the ends of your aluminum fittings here. And for transmission coolers, you can't make these at home like other ANs. These have to be crimped on because the transmission deals with high pressure. So if you try to crimp it on, or you'll have to use the blue or black hydraulic hose with the big thread and fitting. Those don't look as nice. So I ordered mine, I measured, ordered. You get a better deal that way. We're gonna keep moving forward. So we finished another thing on the Impala. We finished transmission cooler lines. I'm gonna show you guys that right now. Boom. So now we gotta build a bracket here to support these lines. Probably post something right about here, aluminum bracket, a couple cushion clamps just to keep that from vibrating ever so they don't come loose. And as you can see, guys, we'll readjust all this stuff around so it fits nicely with the AC lines on this side. But that's it, that's the last of that. All right, everybody, that's gonna wrap it up for today. We got a lot of stuff accomplished. Hit the notification bell, like, subscribe, drop me a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. We'll keep you in tune. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.